Dear students, today we will study chapter first in history, how, when and where. First of all, we will know importance of dates. History is about changes that occur over time. It is about finding out how things were in the past, how things have changed in the present. As soon as we compare the past and the present, we refer to time to talk of before and after. जो विभिन्न तिथियां हैं, विभिन्न समय है, उसके द्वारा हम जानते हैं कि वर्तमान में कौन सी चीज़ें थीं, वर्तमान में कौन सी चीज़ें हैं, पहले यानी भूतकाल में कौन सी चीज़ें थीं, वर्तमान में वे चीज़ें बदल गईं। हम दोनों में तुलना करते हैं, भूतकाल में और वर्तमान में, एंड नो मैनी थिंग्स थ्रू द dates. We do not always ask historical questions. When we are curious, we ask questions, and sometimes these are actually historical questions. For example, when did people begin to drink tea or coffee, or when we were in railways built, etc. We cannot fix one single date on which British rule was established or the national movement started. All these changes happened over a stretch of time. Next, reasons to have dates in history. History associates with the string of dates because there was time when history was accounts of battles and big events. It was about rulers and their policies. Historian wrote about the year a king was crowned, the year he married, the year he had a child, the year he fought a particular war, the year died, and year the next ruler succeed to the throne. For events such as these, specific dates can be determined. They tell us how common men earned their livelihood, how kingdoms were formed, how new ideas, culture spread and society changed, etc. इतिहासकारों ने कौन राजा हुआ, कैसे उसने सिंहासन प्राप्त किया, कैसे उसने राजगद्दी प्राप्त की, कब उसका विवाह हुआ, उसके बच्चे कितने हुए, कौन कौन से उसने युद्ध लड़े, उनके क्या परिणाम हुए, उसकी मृत्यु कब हुई, कैसे हुई, इन सब का वर्णन सामान्य रूप से किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट, which dates? Dates are not important on their own. They become important as we focus on a particular set of event as important. For example, in the stories written by British historian in India, the rule of each Governor General was important. These stories began with the rule of first Governor General Warren Hastings, ended the last victory Lord Mountbatten. All the dates in a story were somehow linked to the famous personalities and their activities, policies and achievement. जितना भी भारत का इतिहास लिखा गया है वह मुख्यतः ब्रिटिश इतिहासकारों द्वारा लिखा गया है और उन्होंने प्रथम गवर्नर जनरल से लेके अंतिम गवर्नर जनरल और उनकी नीतियों का, शासन चलाने की पद्धतियों का वर्णन किया है। Periods of history. We divide the history into different periods to capture of characteristics of time, its central features as they appear to us. The term through which we periodize, demarcate the difference between periods became important.